Do you dream of having your own humanoid robot? Well, then definitely keep watching, because I'm working to make just that a reality. Hi, I am Glenn from GlevoTec. Like many other people, the idea of having a fully functional humanoid robot always fascinated me. Unfortunately, we can't just walk in a store and go buy one. At least not yet. Some companies like Xiaomi or Tesla are aiming for the consumer market, but ordinary people don't have a few $10,000 to $100,000 to spend. That is why I took on the challenge of designing and building my own DIY humanoid robot. This will be a real multifunctional humanoid that you can build for cheap, just at home. How did I do this? Well, first I designed everything in 3D CAD software. The robot is designed to be almost fully 3D printed. This makes it really accessible for anyone to build without needing a workshop full of machines and tools. You could just build it at your kitchen table, so to speak. The rest of parts will be mainly off-the-shelf motors, sensors and boards that anyone should be able to find easily. Let's take a closer look at the robot itself. The main functional parts are the arms. There are two identical arms, each with 8 degrees of freedom. This allows for a very natural movement range close to that of a human arm. Each joint is powered by a compact but powerful servo motor. For the shoulder and wrist, there are additional 3D printed gearboxes for extra mechanical sturdiness and reliability. During testing at the concept phase, I was very pleased with the results of this arm design. The torso will hold the gearboxes as well as part of the electronics that will be controlling the arms and the rest of the body. It will receive 2 ultrasonic distance sensors at the front to detect obstacles automatically. As for the electronic control part, that is still in development. I can't give too many details about it just yet. Now, the name Bebotto is not just a random word. It actually stands for Body Extension Robot Teleoperated. Now, in short, this means that Bebotto will be designed to be controlled by a person as an extension of their own body. This will happen wirelessly, in your own house or even at the other side of the world. Now, the goal is to be able to control the robot as if you are the robot. I'm aiming to make it work over the internet through a low-lag video connection with real-time feedback. I cannot give any details about the control system yet because I'm still figuring out how to do this exactly, but most likely in the end it will be a mixture between autonomous functions on board and the manual input at a distance. The head is equipped with 2 separate vision systems. The first is an independent machine vision module that will handle things like automatic face tracking. The second is based around an old phone to keep costs down for now. This will be providing a live video feed over a low latency service like Skype. Like I said before, the control system is still in concept phase, so I will go through a number of designs before I settle for a final concept. Bebotto will also receive 2 movable antenna ears as a way of visual communication to allow for a more natural way of interacting with the robot. Bebotto will be mobile and will eventually be built onto an electric wheelchair platform. This will provide a solid base with powerful motors for a wide movement range on a small footprint. This project is still in full development and I would love for you to be part of it. It is time that we get the robots that we were promised for all these years. The future is now and you can help build it. Bebotto will be made available when the project is complete. All 3D print files, code and build plans will be ready for you to download and use to build your very own humanoid robot. Important! In the meantime, if you support me through Patreon as a microbot or a gigabot, you will get a 30% discount when the build files become available for early access. Yes, you can get Bebotto before anyone else and even at a lower price. Support through Patreon also means that you can see updates from behind the scenes and previews of what I am working on. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell if you haven't done that already. I want to thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Oh, I almost forgot. Any comments or questions or suggestions are always welcome in the comment section below. So don't hesitate.